think we're already there. On our way to Puyo, a town near Ecuadorian Amazon rainforest. Our first stop was a viewpoint overlooking the edge of Amazon. It's pretty breathtaking. The ride takes about an hour or so, and it took us to a remote isolated community home to the Wayuri tribe. We were greeted with a welcome drink, and I have no clue what this sour drink is. Then Wai explained some of their traditions and customs, their history, and how they hunted. Some young girl came around to paint the face of everyone. If you refuse, there's a dire consequence.
We all have 7 years with sex.
Oh wow. Wait, is that what it is? 7 years?
If you don't do it.
Well, now you guys can have 37 years of sex. Congratulations. Don't wait. Start tonight. Although I'm very excited to find out if this is the beginning of 7 years of good sex, there's no phone reception to run dating apps. But I don't mind holding it off for tonight. After all, the traditional dance performance is coming up. If you're not shy, join them. You'll be wrapped in a grass skirt. Although I believe in supporting the local economy, I also have a degree in anthropology, and I cannot support using primate as entertainment. Therefore, I urge you not to pay to take photos with them. It's time for lunch, but not before paying a visit to a souvenir shop in the community. Yeah, I'm going to call a personal injury lawyer. My bus. Our shower's over. We're heading off to a McDonald's. Just joking. Oh, your tour does come with a soup. Oh, sorry. With a lunch. I need more than a soup, actually. Chicken broth. I think it's chicken broth. The lunch, the main course is very traditional rice and plantains, some salads, and also beef. I'm pretty sure it's beef. It's beef. For a $20 tour, I don't think I can complain about this. Back to the bus. After fueling up, it's time to burn some calories. Next on the menu, tracking the Amazon. Also, please bring your bathing suit. You'll see why later. The Ecuadorian rainforest has an elevation of 400 meters above the sea level. It is few places in the world where it's probably best to travel with a group and a knowledgeable guide, given how easy it is to get lost and all the great spots are hard to find within a day. Trekking through the Amazon, that's what we're doing right now. It's gonna be an hour and a half. So just be very careful because some areas can be really slippery. And the water can be really, really high. Like all the way up to your boots. I'm not joking. We also get to learn about many of the species of plants, trees, and birds, if you can find them. The tour also includes a fresh dose of facial treatment. And here's a claim. These natural clay will wipe off 10 years off your face. I just can't resist using the dating app after this. Yo guys, can all of you guys freaking man up? I'm doing it.
He said I'm gonna find a wife tonight, so yo, I'm going.
You get your 7 years of good sex.
7
Your
years
facial
of
for your
sex.
plenty of fish profile. You're gonna clean it up in town tonight.
Clean up in town, yes. Yeah, I'm not going to sleep. I'm going to drink lots of Red Bull. Not going home without some, you know, happy
Or that
endings.
tea we had earlier, right?
So what I have on my face
15 minutes.
needs 15 minutes to 20 minutes to be completely dry.
And then you clean.
Then I can clean it. So this,
You don't want to clean it.
and they say afterwards, the reward is I'm going to be a very handsome man. I'm rejuvenized. I think I look prettier now. I hope. You better click like on my not Instagram, Tinder profile. Keep going. Yes. Oh my god.
I was very excited to jump in for Rio until minor technical difficulties with the boots.
Okay, almost. Okay, so I am not going to just stand and watch while other people enjoy this pool. So, with that being said,
The ride lasted about 20 minutes and is really nice way to end our day. Maybe not.
so we are a little bit ahead of the schedule of going back. So what they are doing is taking us to a chocolate farm, a cocoa farm. Behind me is your beloved raw ingredient for your cocoa or chocolate. These fruits, if you chop in half, you see a whole bunch of seeds inside. And when you refine them, it becomes cocoa, and which makes into chocolate. We get to suck on a raw cocoa bean. Yeah. So this is it. This is it. Okay, I'm very excited. They say chocolate is aphrodisiac, so I'm going to do is I'm going to bring tons of these home and give it to significant others. So after you suck it, I mean not in a dirty way. Let me put a C here. It's actually bitter. The color is it's interesting. Here we go. I just did my job of sucking this. cool. That's tea. You can start smelling like fresh chocolate. I'm serious. This is inside after you take out the shell. It's for coca. And these, the shells, is for tea. And you can just smell. Oh wow. You smell chocolate. After you do that, you do this. It's painstaking. And what you come out is down here is refined coca. It's very, very bitter, but you can just like taste this freshness.
The traditional method of making chocolate require a bit of work, with first being needed to be cracked and individual seeds needed to be removed and cleaned, followed by the roasting and removal of shells before being grounded.
You should have gone first to show us.
Lots of work. Lots of heart.
The raw coca is then placed onto a banana leaf and sold as a major ingredient in your beloved chocolates.
Without the sugar, it's actually really, really bitter, but that's how cocoa should taste like.
The tour also includes a sample of real deal hot chocolate, as well as the traditional pastries.
This is tortilla de yuca. Tortilla with so many onions, salt, and condiments. It's so delicious.
I bet. With that being said, let's just eat.
Después,